Today's video, guys, we are giving
Start over.
Today's video, guys, we bought a Mustang. We found the shittiest Mustang on Facebook thanks to Swoopa, and now we're giving it away, guys.
Andy found this piece of shit Mustang on Facebook Marketplace thanks to Swoopa, the app that alerts him when good deals are posted. It was listed for $3,000, but he knew he could chew him down, so he went there and negotiated down to $900. He bought the car, but he had no way to get it home, so he picked me up, and then we went back to go pick up the car. Oh my god!
I'm fucked, basically.
This thing is tough to look at. I mean, the body kit's not that ugly, it's just the paint and the fact that it's an automatic V6. This is what it is. It's a fucking Mustang with a shitty body kit. First order of business is to fill up these tires that are dry rotted, and that might kill us, or kill him, the fucking nutty professor looking ass. He doesn't even know how to fucking tie his tie.
We opened our dealership today, and this is our first car we got. 1999 Ford Mustang.
V6 automatic, by the way.
V6 automatic with suicide doors.
Those aren't suicide, but we get it.
Call them butterfly?
Butterfly, Lambo doors, I don't know.
There definitely should be called suicide doors because they don't close.
You gotta lower it a little. So line it up with this. See? Boom.
Oh, dude, these are dry rotted.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. And they're bald. You're gonna die. Like, look at this. It's got like, it's like flaking apart. Like, I've never seen something so terrible. Did you get this body kit from Alibaba or what?
Yes, every Hispanic guy buys it off of Alibaba. These are the fucking Honda wheels that we had for the purple Honda.
Listen, if this was a V8 or a manual, it might be redeemable, but holy shit box. This thing is a shit mobile.
Don't close it. We don't know if we can open it. I don't think she's never seen that before. We're gonna go with Miller's and flex our car.
That thing don't look right. That don't look right, boy. Whatever the hell that thing is, it don't look right.
If you want to buy it, I'll give you 20% off.
All right, so Bobby just called me. He was behind me on the highway, and he says there was smoke everywhere, and someone told him his tire was on fire.
My car is smoking. My car is smoking!
Back up, back up. Get off the grass. I don't want you to set the grass on fire. Pop the hood. It's not your tire. It's got to be coolant.
It doesn't smell like coolant. It has to be like oil, right?
That's not oil. That smells like something else. We didn't see any fluids dripping. It wasn't the tire. It wasn't coolant.
To do right now, I'm like thinking in my head like 100 ways of how to fucking sell this thing. Mommy, we're fucked! We blew up a Mustang on the highway! Yeah, it's at my house, yeah. Well, the dealership. We just opened a dealership. That's my first car.
Oh my god, it's destroying the rear bumper. Oh my god.
This is the first time opening the trunk. Yo, there's tools in here.
What is all that shit? What is that plumbing?
Imagine there's like $500 in here. We made our money back.
It's already paying for itself. Is that coffee?
Yeah, it's coffee.
Hey, we don't have to get coffee now.
We'll get some coffee for you. Got some more tools.
A D-Wow. Is that a battery?
Yeah, this is actually, I need one of these. Alright, Bobby, I think we made our own money back right here.
That's fucking nothing. It's not worth shit.
We got it towed here, alright? And we're probably giving this away. But before we give it away, we're going to try and make it look nice. I think you got to put a suicide mode. Put a suicide mode and then put it back down. Yep, this is why you don't buy cars off Facebook Marketplace. You realize it's gonna rain, and we just have the window half down because the motor's dead.
It's not open.
Alright, I get it!
Alright, hop in, let's go.
We're actually driving this thing?
Fuck it.
You want to check the oil usage?
The brakes look nice, like they look new.
It wouldn't surprise me there was like a fucking possum living here.
Okay. It's just there.
It's not supposed to be looking like that.
That oil is old. That's all I'm gonna say. The shit is old.
Alright.
But it's free, so who's gonna complain about it?
Let's just go, let's just go. We'll just try to sell it to somebody.
On the road?
On the road.
There's no way this thing is driving, dude. This does not feel like something that should be getting driven.
Look at the steering wheel.
Why does it feel like a horse, like it's galloping up and down?
It is a horse, it's the Mustang. You're either riding the horse or the horse is riding you. Dude, I'm just like wobbling. Quick question though. We don't need gas, but we just bought this car for a dealership. Yep. How much do you think we can sell this for? First, let me show you the doors real quick.
I know a guy
Yeah.
who like buy cars,
Yeah.
just live behind this garage.
Oh yeah? Is his name Andrew?
Sorry?
Is his name Andrew Rojas?
Oh, David.
David. Fucking David. I know David. He steals all my business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always wanted a new age Mustang, but I didn't think it was gonna be this big of a piece of shit.
We should do that as like a video every time we just get a new car, just show it to him. How much do you think? How much do you think we can get?
He's gonna be a recurring character on the channel.
Yes.
Is that flooring it?
Yeah.
Alright folks, so we successfully made it to AutoZone with the Mustang. And the goal is, I don't know what the goal is, but we're gonna get a paint marker and we're gonna turn this into a comic book car and draw like all the accent lines and make it look like a cartoon and then try to sell it. Andy was showing the car to the AutoZone worker. He asked him if he would buy it. He said no. But then he asked him if he would take it for free. And he said, yeah, sure. But then we got the idea to make it a competition. Andy suggested a foot race and he said he was down for that. What better way to modify our Fast and Furious style Mustang shitbox than to make it look like a comic book car? I always wanted to do that, but now we finally have a shitbox worthy enough to do it.
I just love how Dylan, like, we always buy shitty cars and he's like, bro, we should do this. And then he goes, oh, we should have done that, bro. We should just fucking sold it how it was. I'm like, I understand the
I
upgrade.
spent $10 on a marker. I'm gonna try it. Fuck.
We're gonna give it away. Like, don't do anything like
Vulgar.
Yeah, vulgar. Bro, what the fuck? Like, he's not gonna want the car. Like,
Give a wag.
oh. Actually, kind of looks pretty ugly. Dude, I just get out of AutoZone and I just see this piece of shit right here. This guy's just, what is this guy doing? Why does it look like this? What are you, an artist? Jesus.
Getting fucked up because of the rain. We got a ton of responses on my Instagram story. I got like 100 people hitting me up that want this car for free, which I'm surprised that people want this piece of shit, but it's free, so I guess that makes sense. So we finally figured out what we're gonna do with this video. We left the car at AutoZone and we posted on our stories and on Facebook that we're giving away the car, but we're doing a foot race. We're gonna have a ton of people meet us at AutoZone and they're all gonna race on the wet ground. So people are probably gonna be breaking legs. It's kind of messed up, but we got the title and it's a free car. So all you have to do is win a foot race and we're giving it away. He's sponsored by Swoopa and that's where we find the good deals.
Yes. Swoopa is basically like Facebook Marketplace, but it alerts you if a car is really undervalued.
It searches Facebook Marketplace and alerts you to recently posted cars, gives you their value, and it alerts you and it just searches the web.
Yes. And that's how I found the Mustang. All right, we're gonna go to Cedar Knolls AutoZone and then hopefully see bodies drop. We have our first guy that we met from AutoZone. Yours, all yours.
We're waiting for the rest of the contestants.
What's up, man? How you doing? Good?
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
What's going on, bro?
How's it going?
What's up?
So, if you win this car, what does it mean to you?
Made it be, man.
All right.
You know, it's important.
Yeah. Because your car is broken down, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah. What car do you drive?
I have an 02 Audi TT.
In the shop right now?
Not in the shop, it's on jack stand.
Oh, Jackson, it's okay. If you win this car, what would it mean to you right now?
It's my first car.
First car? How old are you?
15.
Is this your brother or?
Yeah, it's my brother. Yeah, it's my brother.
You think you're faster than him?
I think I'm faster than him. But I'm going to win it. If I win it, I'll give it to him.
All right.
We'll fix it up. I mean, whatever it needs.
All right, cool.
Like a turbo.
Look at this. Have you ever seen this before in a car?
The only rule is whoever wins it has to do a burnout.
Yeah, they have to do a burnout on it.
Alright.
You here for the race?
What's up, bro?
Nice to meet you, man. If you win this car, what would it mean to you? Everything? Who are you doing this for?
My family.
Your family?
AC blows or no?
No.
It blows, it's just not cold.
It's not cold.
All right, get him in the interview.
If you win this car, what would it mean to you, sir?
My car's electric, so
I like the cartoon look.
I like it. Did you guys just do this today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now.
All right, we're gonna get this started soon. We're gonna see who's the fastest of them all, and hopefully someone does a fat burnout.
I'm not gonna lie, I think the dreadhead is gonna win.
I'm probably rooting for him. That's why if we make it shorter, it might be more fair.
Yeah.
We should probably map it out what it's gonna be.
Just trying to figure out where to do it because we don't want you guys to get hurt and sue me.
You guys got insurance, right?
Probably not.
We ain't signing no waiver.
It's the starting line right there. Whoever runs past the car wins the car.
Whoever, gets to the car first.
Yeah. Whoever gets.
basically.
Wait, what are we doing? Touch the car or pass the car?
We're gonna have you stand in the middle,
Okay.
and I'm gonna be on this side, and I'm gonna use you as a reference to see who passes you first.
Ready, set, go. Who won? That was like a tie, right?
Best of three. I mean, we gotta check the footage.
We gotta check the footage. VAR. A chance? You want to give him a chance?
I'll give him another one because his words inspire me about giving it to his little brother.
Oh shit. Okay.
Go! Yeah, we lost.
Yeah.
I'll start.
Post game interview.
You won the car from AutoZone.
From repping the store.
Rep the store. Almost won, dude. You almost
It's
won. I
okay.
saw you. I thought you honestly tied.
I
But
spun.
no
Yeah,
traction
the second
control.
time track. No, exactly.
No traction control. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you so much.
Man, I know you won. You deserve it. You won fair and square. What can I say?
This is all yours. Damn. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with it?
I think I gotta do a burnout.
Coach signed. Everything's good.
That's it, man.
All right, so the rules are that you have to do a burnout if you win. One wheel peel into the sunset. Wow.
You smell that? That smells like death.
I won.
Dude, thank you so much for competing. Thank you so much. Yes, no problem.
Nothing in the trunk.
You can keep whatever's in there.
Make sure you guys go all follow Swooper and
Yes.
stay tuned for all the stuff he has. Great guy right here.
More giveaways soon, guys. Okay, keep watching. She was a beauty. We only had it for a day. Technically, you know how I said we made it for a profit? We did with the ads. Okay, guys? So, cry about it in the comments. Thank you for watching. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Please follow us on Instagram if you guys want to see more giveaways. And if you want to enter the giveaways, we'll be letting you guys know on there, posting it on our stories. Thanks for watching. Please comment down below what you guys want us to give away. Also, thanks to Supa for sponsoring the video. We couldn't have done it without them. Those are great guys. That's how I even found the Mustang, okay? You guys should go check them out. They alert you when they see cars under value. You get a notification like, boom, this Honda Civic is for like $2K and you can resell it for $8,000. All right, this is how I make my money. This is how I make bank. You guys should do the same. We're able to open our dealership, jetmotors.com. I'm kidding. I don't know. We haven't figured out the name for the dealership, but let us know in the comments.
Please like and subscribe and share this video so we can get our engagement up, so we can get more money from our sponsors, so we can continue to do videos like these. And let us know what you want to see in the next video. We're going to keep buying shit boxes, selling shit boxes, giving away shit boxes. That's what we do. We're Debt Garage and we're in debt. So help us out. See you guys next time.